Hello everyone. So today I will explain very important topic is use state. So in use state in React, this this question asked interviewers so many times, like what is use state and how we can use state. So first of all, I will explain what is use state. So use state is a hook in React that lets you add state to functional components. It returns a stateful value and a function to update it. So use state is a hook in React that lets you add state to functional components. It returns a stateful value and a function to update it. So that is use state. It is a hook in React that lets you add state to a functional components. It returns a stateful value and a function to update it. Components. Yeah. So now I will explain syntax of use state. Syntax. So use state syntax is simply like const state. In that state we can add any name, set state, and then use state and initial value. Initial value. So now I will explain one example in coding. So I hope you will understood. So in VSC. I will open another folder. Practice. Yeah, I already explained like in counter. This is the like counter component. So I will explain this code in use state. See, here is use state. So basically in this, I will explain how it works. Okay. In previous video also I write this same code in functional component and class based component. If you want, so you can watch. If you want to watch here, so you can watch here. So in this, like in use state, first of all, use state, I initialize 0, sets the initial count to 0. See, I will run this UI so you will better understood. Cd my app and then npm start. See, its current count is showing 0. Why? Because I give an initial value 0. If I will give initial value 1, so it will show 1. See, I will run in Chrome. See, current count is 1. So that's why it is showing initial value. In initial value we can add anything if you want, like 0 or 1. And then it is set count. Here it is set count, and I increase set count to count plus 1 because we want to increment. Okay, for 1. So that's why I added 1. And when the state changes, the component re-render and with the new value. See, when state changes, when I will click in increase, see, it is update new value. Okay, so that is the use state. Now I will explain. So now I will explain use cases of use state where we can use. For we can use form handling. Okay, we can use toggling UI element. We can use counter or score tracking, and we can use dynamic list. I can write. Okay, so better will better understood use case. So use cases first is form handling. Form handling. And then second is toggling UI. Toggling UI elements. Third is counter or score. Counter or score tracking. And then dynamic lists. Dynamic lists. And then theme switching. Theme switching. So that is the like few use cases. Uh, Here you can use state. In short, use state is used to store and manage values that change over time within a component. So that is the use state. In this video, like it is a very short video, so in that short video, like you will understood use state. So that's all about use state. If you have any doubts, so you can comment down, and if you like this video, so please share and subscribe. Thank you.